Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and tools. First, enable developer options and USB debugging so your PC can control the phone. This lets you push settings and apps. Next, install a DB and fastboot on your computer and confirm the phone appears with a DB devices. Then, download a reliable iOS-style status bar emulator and an icon pack for consistency. Make sure versions match your Android release. Once done, you're ready to transfer and sideload the status bar app and assets. You now configure the app and theme. After a DB install, open the app and grant overlay, notification access, and any accessibility permissions. These allow it to draw over the system's status bar. Next, select the iPhone layout and import the icon pack so carrier, battery, and Wi-Fi look authentic. Then adjust transparency, notch padding, clock position, and signal bar style. These detailed tweaks ensure the overlay aligns with system UI. Make sure to test in different apps to confirm alignment. Finish by making the change persistent and handling issues. Reboot the phone, enable auto start for the status bar app, and lock orientation if you need consistent placement. This prevents Android from killing the overlay. If elements are misaligned, toggle the overlay permission, rerun the ADB install, or recalibrate notch padding. If the app crashes, clear cache, uninstall and reinstall the APK, and confirm Android version compatibility. These steps resolve most problems. One key troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.